My main goal over the next 7 to 10 minutes is to give you guys a little bit of information and background on a company and, more importantly, an opportunity that I personally believe is probably the best business model and most lucrative opportunity that I've seen in the last probably 20 years, certainly in the network marketing industry, aside from traditional businesses. And, it's not every day that somebody gets to see something of this magnitude, and hopefully we can give you guys enough information to make an educated and informed decision as to whether this is something for you, because at the end of the day, we are looking for people who are looking for us. And Douglas MacArthur said something that's very, very wise. He said, "There's no security on this earth. There's only opportunity." And for those of you that have been out in the workforce for many years, and especially over the last 2, 3, 4 years, through all the downsizing and the recession and the cutbacks and everything else, I don't think a truer statement has ever been made. There is absolutely no security in today's day and age, but there is always opportunity if you're willing to accept it and to open your mind to the possibilities and to certainly take advantage of it when it comes to you. And the opportunity we want to talk about tonight is in the deregulation arena of a major industry. Anytime that deregulation has occurred in this country over the last 30 years, tremendous opportunities abounded, but more importantly, tremendous wealth is created for those who take advantage of it, because all that deregulation is a transfer of wealth. Industries don't disappear, just the players in the game change, and the people who get their hands in the pie change with it. In the 70s, the airline industry was the first major industry to deregulate, and out of that came, behemoths that we all know today, the Continentals, the Southwest, the United, the American, so on and so forth. And the people that started with those companies back in those days, that either launched them, were employees with them, or were investors of them, literally made fortunes almost overnight. In the 80s, another major industry, the telecom industry, and many of you may remember back when AT&T was your long-distance provider, and a phone call cost 40-something cents a minute, and then all of a sudden the government decided to break up the monopoly. Competition came into the marketplace. Consumers had a choice. Prices came down, and companies like Sprint, GTE, Verizon, XL Communications were all born out of that deregulation. And once again, the people that positioned themselves either with those companies in some form or fashion, or started those companies, or entered into some avenue of playing in that marketplace, if you will, literally became millionaires and some billionaires almost, as it seems, overnight. Well, what we're here to talk about tonight is the deregulation of another industry, probably the largest industry out there, bar none, and that's energy. And the energy deregulation is truly an opportunity for each and every one of us to take advantage of if we see it, if we're willing to do the work, and if we're smart enough to position ourselves in front of it. And guys, you don't need to take my word for it. Some pretty hefty business executives by the names of Warren Buffett and Bill Gates have both recently stated that energy deregulation is the next frontier. It's where the money is going to be made in this country over the next several years. And we're fortunate. We're in a position with a company called Just Energy. Just Energy is a $3 billion a year publicly traded company marketing in this $500 billion industry. Because that's $500 billion is spent on energy services here, in the U.S. and all across North America. We have the largest footprint of any company in North America, offering both residential and commercial services, servicing over millions of customers. And what's exciting about Just Energy, they are the parent company. They are the energy provider, the largest retail energy provider in North America. Well, just recently, in an unprecedented move, they decided to launch a network marketing arm called Momentus. And that's truly what we're here to talk about tonight. That's the opportunity that each and every one of us can take advantage of. And why is that an opportunity? Well, Momentus is positioned, or allows us to position ourselves to truly take advantage of an industry where we don't have to make heavy investments. We don't have to know how to buy energy. We don't have to set up call centers and customer service and billing and support and accounting and collections and legal and any of that stuff. So it truly puts us in the right place at the right time with the right company. But that's not enough. You know, we need to do something to take advantage of it. We need to go to work. We need to make sure that we take advantage of this vehicle. In my personal opinion, Just Energy Momentus is the best vehicle out there in the marketplace to accomplish something specifically in this industry for individuals to take advantage of it. And, you know, there's a saying that somebody that I know has said, and it just makes so much sense to me. So why not put yourself in a position to make the most amount of money in the least amount of time through the path of least resistance? And having done research on this industry, having done research on multiple companies in this marketplace and in this space, there's no doubt in my mind that Momentus and Just Energy, that combination, is absolutely the vehicle that's going to accomplish that, at least for me and my family. And I know there's other folks on this call who feel the exact same way. But in addition to just offering energy services, you know, the folks with our company were smart enough to realize that not every state is deregulated yet. Not every area within every state is deregulated yet. So we decided to offer what we call home essential services. So not only do we offer electricity and natural gas in 14 states in the U.S., 5 provinces in Canada, but we also offer television services through DirecTV. We offer internet services through Clear 4G Wireless. We offer digital phone service through another provider. And we're adding to that suite of services every single month, looking for things that each and every one of you and I are paying for on a monthly recurring basis. See, the whole premise behind Momentus is if you're paying a monthly recurring bill, don't you deserve to earn a monthly recurring check for it? Every one of us is already doing this business. We're all paying for these bills without even ever really thinking about it. Every month they come, every month we cut a check. Well, we're now in a position where we can pay ourselves for the same thing. And the way we do it is we use something called relationship marketing. You can call it network marketing. You can call it referral marketing. Call it whatever you want. But at the end of the day, it's probably the most brilliant form of advertising that a company can put into play if they do it properly, especially when it comes to something like home essential services, something where I don't have to, or none of us have to educate a person on the benefits of the product. We don't have to convince them that they need something. All we need to do is use our relationships with friends, family members, coworkers, etc., as independent reps, and ask them to do us a favor, become a customer, switch their service to us as a provider, and then we get paid every single month on a recurring basis, month after month, year after year, literally decade after decade. Our business model is very simple. And guys, you know, the screen, hopefully Marty's up with me, and it says simple business model. I'm going to focus on 2 words here. One is simple. I didn't say easy. I said simple. The second word is business. And this is a business. If you treat it like a business, you will be incredibly successful. There's 2 things that we do within this simple business model. One, we enroll a handful of customers. This is not about being in the 100 customer a month club. This is literally about getting a handful of customers and then teaching other people to do the exact same thing. Just like any business, just like any startup, just like any venture, there is a cost associated with getting started. I know some folks are saying, okay, here it comes. You know, I was waiting for this. Well, guys, it's $299. In my personal opinion, and please don't take this the wrong way if this offends anybody, it's a joke. To be able to invest $299 to start a business with the largest retail energy provider in North America, who does everything for the backbone of the business. All you need to do is ask some people to switch their service, literally is a joke. For $19.95 a month, on top of that, you get 3 different websites, marketing materials, brochures, everything that you need to get started in business and be able to go out and create a a true residual income. And all the time that you're doing that, the company rewards you handsomely for customer acquisition. Because at the end of the day, remember, we're a publicly traded company. We're all about creating shareholder value. We do that through obtaining a broader and wider and deeper customer base. And the company, instead of spending hundreds of millions of dollars on traditional marketing methods, such as television, billboards, radio, etc., pays you and I to go out and acquire customers, and they pay us 5 different ways.